This is VS Code, and in a second, its built-in chat is going to answer a real question using a model that never leaves this machine. Here's the setup. Open TurboLLM, find your model in the library, and click Load. Watch the status change. Stopped, starting, then running. That's a real model coming up on your own GPU. No cloud involved anywhere in this step. Once it's running, head over to the Developer tab. Everything VS Code is going to need is right here on this one page. The server URL, which is just localhost, and whatever port TurboLLM is running on. And only if you've turned on Require API key over in Settings, a key you can create from right here too. If you haven't required one, which is the default, you can skip that part entirely and move straight on. Back in VS Code, open Manage Models, then Add Models, Custom Endpoint. Name the group TurboLLM. Leave the API key blank unless you turn that setting on. Pick Chat Completions, then paste in the model block the ID, name, and URL pointing at your TurboLLM address. Format it, save it, done. Now for the real test. Select that model and ask it something real, not a canned demo question, an actual question about this actual code base. Watch the chat on the right. It starts thinking, then it actually goes and reads real files in this repository to work out the answer. Meanwhile, watch the panel on the left. That's TurboLLM's own engines page, running completely independently in a totally separate window. Keep an eye on its request count and its token numbers. The moment the answer lands over here, those numbers move over there. Same real request, same real GPU, one real model doing the work in both places at once. No cloud call, no other server. And there's the answer, worked out from the actual code in this repo, not memorized, not guessed. 1 local model. 0 cloud calls. Right inside the editor you already use.